In today's paper slide video, we are going to talk about Swedish Traditions. This project is by Carrington Brown, Macy Beckworth, Mackenzie Leach, and Chastity Williams. Walpurgis Eve is celebrated on the last day of April. On this day, they sing songs and have bonfires. The gatherings are open to the public all around the country. This day is great for people to be with their family. Once the bonfires start to die down, the people start going to pubs, restaurants, or even friends and family parties. Walpurgis Day is celebrated on May 1st and has been a holiday in Sweden since 1939. This day isn't really for hanging out with family because it is a public event for the village and neighborhood. There's many people that carry around banners, slogans, or flags of classical or more topical nature. These banners and slogans get carried around the village or neighborhood. The National Day of Sweden is celebrated on June 6th and is based on two major historical events. One event is that on June 6, 1523, Gustav Vasa was elected to be King of Sweden. Another event is that on June 6, 1809, the country adopted a new constitution. They didn't have this holiday public, but in 2004, the Sweden Parliament voted that it should become one. It took a very long time to decide. Midsummer is on June 24th. They say it seems like the sun never sets, and they are right, it never does. Midsummer is important to the Sweden calendar, and for some it is very important to them. They dance around the wooden pole with flowers on it and some grass too. They also wear flower crowns around their head. This day is a never-ending lunch party for them. All Saints' Day is celebrated on November 1st, and it's pretty much a day to go and visit those who have passed. For the people who do go to the graveyards, they will light candles and put down on the graves, and some people will even lay down flowers and wreaths. Most Swedes will take the day off for this holiday. This isn't just to go to the graves. This also marks the first day of winter and the traditional start of the alpine ski season in northern Sweden. Some people decide not to go out to the cemeteries for this day, so what they do instead is stay home with their families and cook an abundant meal of some kind. Lucia Day is celebrated December 13th, and this holiday is mainly taken over by young kids, but when they get older, it gets more hard for them to celebrate. Girls and boys wear white full-length gowns, and they all sing songs together. Light in her hair means a crown of electric candles and wreaths on top of her head. Boys carry stars on sticks and wear tall paper cones on their heads. The tall paper cones have 3 stars.